Have you fallen behind at uni? It might be easier than you think to get back on track. There are a lot of support services and programs at Curtin, but it can be overwhelming to decide what you actually need help with. So I'd recommend starting with the Student Success Plan, a self-help tool designed to help you pinpoint what is affecting your studies and develop an actionable list of next steps. Your plan will direct you to the most relevant support services at Curtin, so you have a clear plan to get back on track. Taking 10 to 20 minutes to develop your Student Success Plan is a really valuable first step to keeping up with uni. I'll go through it with you. The categories listed are study, course, living, and health and issues. Within each category is a statement you could relate to. Take time to consider them, read the provided info, and then select any next steps you'd like to take. The Student Success Plan offers you a wide range of steps, from booking an appointment with a student wellbeing advisor to attending a study schools workshop. Once you've selected all of the relevant steps across the 5 categories, it's time to build your plan by adding a due date for each step to keep yourself on track. Once you submit your plan, it will be sent to your student email address, and you're given the option to import all of your due dates into your student calendar. Whether you've had a change in your academic status or just want some strategies to keep up with uni, remember you're not the only person to have fallen behind. Good luck.